Dear children, we will do exercise of adjectives part A today. Let's begin the exercise. The question is underline the adjectives in red and the nouns or pronouns that they are describing in blue. Let's begin the exercise, children. First sentence. In this race, several children are taking part. Here, the word race is noun, so it is coded as blue, and this is adjective, which is underlined with red mark. Several children. Here, children is noun, so underlined with blue line, and several is underlined with red mark. Next sentence, his friend gave that little child all help. In this sentence, the word his is describing the noun friend. So, friend is a noun, we have underlined it with blue, and his is the adjective, we have underlined it with red. And little child, here little is adjective, so underlined with red line, and the child is noun, which is described, so underlined with blue. The old man fell on the road. Here old is adjective, so we have underlined it with red line, and man is a noun, we have marked it with blue. Let's begin with next example. India expects all men and women to do their duty. Here, men and women are noun, and all is describing them. So, we have underlined all with red, and men and women are noun, so we have underlined it with blue. And their duty. Here, the word there is describing the noun duty. So, there is underlined with red line, and duty is underlined with blue line. And next sentence is, there are no pictures in this big book. Here, the word no is adjective, so underlined with red line, and the pictures is a noun, it is underlined with blue. And big book, the word big is describing the noun book, so big is underlined with red, and book is underlined with blue. And next sentence is, the path was narrow with no lights. Here the word narrow is describing the noun path. So narrow is underlined with red, and path is underlined with blue. And no lights. Here the word no is describing the noun lights. So, no is underlined with red, and lights underlined with blue. And next sentence is, January is the first month of the year. Here the word first is describing the noun month. So, first is adjective, and it is underlined with red, and month is noun, so underlined with blue. Now let's begin the new sentence. The sky is blue and stars are bright. Here The adjective blue is describing sky. So, blue is marked as red and sky is marked as blue. And stars are noun and the word bright is describing word. So, bright is underlined as red and stars is underlined with blue. The student became sad on hearing the result. Here the noun is student, so it is underlined as blue, and sad is the word describing it, so it is underlined as red. I had enough bread and sufficient milk. Here the word enough is describing the noun bread. So enough is underlined with red color and the noun bread is underlined with blue. And sufficient milk. Here the word sufficient is describing the noun milk. So sufficient is underlined with red color and milk is underlined with blue color. Dear children, this is all about the exercise part A of the chapter adjective. Do it in your book neatly and carefully. Bye bye. Have a nice day.